Evidently, some people in Washington and Europe, these people have not gone through the throes of history completely yet. Until they resolve it in their own hearts and live together, that's it. It's not going to go anywhere other than more violence. And you got a fresh new generation that's all pissed off now. And like I said, enough blood spilled this time to probably last them another 650 years. Tabula rasa, land swap. Okay, that's it, fine, dandy. We're going to take this chunk of land. You can have the rest over here. We're going to become part of Serbia, you know, ethnic entities, part of Serbia, and you guys can do whatever you want in Bosnia. Give the Croatians a chunk of land. Let's get the hell out of here. They won't do that, though. That's too logical, and there's just too many emotional problems with that. So they'd rather go ahead and keep on killing their kids, sending them in for some old farts, you know, pleasure, so he can sit back and get drunk. The Serbians have a really good word for these guys. We call them pogues and rear echelon motherfuckers. The Serbians call them food boys. You know, these are the guys that sit back and direct, you know, and, yeah, go over there, you know, go clear that minefield. You know, meanwhile, they're sitting back getting drunk with a whore and shit. Yeah, we've seen this in our past, too. Well, hopefully it's gone out of the Western world, but some of these people, they're still stuck in the 19th century. They are, they really are.